Hey guys, right now I have a unboxing video for you of my Banshee Bungee that I bought online. And so here's the package. It's very heavy, you can't really see it because, you know, it's in the video. But, alright, I'll open it up. And it also came with a quick release system. So, that's kind of a bonus. Alright, here's what's inside. So first, we have the quick release right here. That's sick. Alright, it's got the clip and the 30-foot lead line. It's cool. Then, got the handle. Banshee Bungee on it. Nice, strong. Isn't gonna bend, except for this part. You have the lean line. And then we got the bungee itself, which is the 20-foot one. Alright. Has this bag. The bag is a little kinda, got some like marks on it. No big deal, it's just a bag. What matters is what's inside, which is, alright, toss this over. This. Alright. This is a big bungee. It's got a warning on it. Use this product and participation in the sport involves serious risk of injury and or death. That's nice to know. But it's got like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's coiled like 5 times in 2 different layers. So that's a lot of bungee for your buck. So thanks for watching. I think I'm gonna use this tomorrow. It's supposed to be a big snowstorm. Hope I'll make a video, so please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.